Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get mobs to spawn randomly within a certain area, just like this. The area can be small or it can be huge, whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just 4 commands. Unfortunately, you can't do it in 1, but you can do it in 4, and here they are. And this is actually the setup I used in my recent video, Last to Survive Creeper Army, wins $20. If you want to check that out, that should be in the top right of the screen right about now. But basically, my friend Mortings and I searched everywhere for how to do this online, and we simply couldn't find how to do exactly what we wanted. So we finally figured out a way to do it on our own, and here it is. I want to post a video about it so you guys can know how to do it just like we did it. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to use creepers. You can use whatever you like, but the first command is to summon a creeper with a name. Now, mine's named Test. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it Bob if you like, but the important part is that it has a name. Alright, so the next command is actually the most complicated of the command. This is the spreadplayers command. So what this is you type /spreadplayers, and then you plug in the X and Y coordinates of where you want the mobs to spawn. So I want the mobs to spawn right in this quartz square right here, and this gold block is the center of the square. So I grab the coordinates for this gold block and put them in the command block. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to type the minimum distance that the mobs need to be apart from each other. Now, this is mainly for when you're spawning multiple mobs at once. This says that mobs have to be at least 3 blocks apart when they teleport. Next up is the radius. This number right here is the radius you want the mobs to spawn in, so I put it in 4 so they can spawn anywhere on that quartz cube. Alright, next up, this is asking if you want it to respect teams. You can just put this in as false if you're going to be spawning mobs. And the final part of the command is you want to target the name mob. So you do this by typing @e name equals test. Remember, that's the name I put in the previous command block. Like I said, you can name it whatever you want. Just make sure it's consistent throughout the different commands, and make sure the mob type is also consistent. So let me show you how these 2 commands work right now. So the first one, this spawns a creeper called test right here. And now I click this button, and this test creeper will be teleported to a random spot on that quartz over there. Now then, this next command is to summon a new normal creeper at the same place as the creeper named test is. So this is the command right here. Like I said, it summons a normal creeper at the place that the test creeper is at. So if I hit this, a normal creeper will appear where the test creeper is now. Now then, the final step is to get rid of the test creeper. So to do this, you basically have to kill it, but you don't want to simply /kill it because then it'll die and drop its stuff and whatnot. So a better way to do this is to teleport that creeper into the void. That way you won't have to worry about death sounds or it dropping any items. And by the way, guys, all of these commands are in the description for you to copy and paste and edit as you wish. Alright, so working all together, we summon a creeper named Test. It gets teleported over here. We spawn a normal creeper on top of Test, and then we get rid of Test. And now we have a normal creeper exactly where Test was. So these are the 4 commands right here, and then the final step you might want to do is add a redstone clock. And all you need for this redstone clock is some redstone, some repeaters, and a redstone torch. And you just set it up like this, put the redstone torch in, break it, and the clock will go around. Change the delay as you like, and change the size as you like, and then just go ahead and hook this up to your command blocks. And you might want to set a tiny delay between the commands. And here we go. These creepers are now randomly spawning. It gets teleported and almost instantly gets replaced by a normal creeper. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial really helped you out and help you with your map making or whatever else you're trying to use this command for. It's really useful, and once you know how to do it, it's actually pretty simple to set up. So yeah, thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy, it would be awesome if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I will see you all next time. Goodbye.